In this video, I'm going to show how to buy a game or FK games using debit card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works on any FK games version. You just need to install FK games, log on the account that you want to buy the game using debit card, and come on install right here on the first option. So you can click on browse on the second option and you will see all games that FK games have to buy. You can also filter by the price of the game, by general, futures, and so on. So you can also search the game, but I will click on this one just for example. So find the game that you want to buy, and you will see right here on this white button, buy now. Click. You will come to this page. And here you need to select the payment method that you want to use. So click on the first option and click if you want to use. If you want to save this payment method for a future purchase, I will click More, click Place Order. You will come to this page right here, and right here you just need to put your personal information, okay, like buy any other thing online. So put your personal information and confirm the purchase that you will buy games or FK games using debit card. I hope I help you how to buy games or FK games using debit card. So if this video helped me anyway, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.